Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's severe weather update. So we have two areas under a slight risk for severe weather, one across portions of Montana, Wyoming, South Dakota, and North Dakota, and the other extending from the southeast through the mid-Atlantic. We have a marginal risk surrounding these areas in the dark green, and looking at today's tornado threat, we have a bit of a tornado threat across portions of the mid-Atlantic today, with a 5% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a given location in this brown shaded region, a 2% chance in this green shaded region, and we have cities like Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, and Raleigh, North Carolina, as well as Richmond, Virginia, in this 5% tornado risk. So be on the lookout for tornadoes if you live in these areas today. Taking a look at the damaging wind threat, we have a 15% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour or stronger within 25 miles of a location in the two yellow areas today, and a 5% chance in the two brown areas. And up in the northern plains, we have the chance for significant 75 mile per hour wind gusts in this hatched area, a 10% chance within 25 miles of a location. So be on the lookout for that if you live in the hatched area today. And finally, looking at the hail threat. The hail threat's not going to be a problem that much at all, with only two 5% chances of quarter-size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in these two brown regions today. Now, taking a look at current radar, we already have our line of storms moving across North Carolina and Virginia, and these are going to be what causes the severe weather threat today. In fact, we have a tornado watch in effect from areas of central North Carolina through much of central Virginia into the DMV area until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So watch out for some tornado spin-ups if you live in this watch area today. Now, taking a look at the future radar, we're going to start off at the current time of around 9 a.m. around 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. We have the storms from North Carolina through Virginia, and as we go over the next few hours, the storms are going to push northeast across eastern portions of Virginia into Washington, D.C., southern Pennsylvania, central Maryland, producing some isolated tornadoes and some damaging winds. And going into the afternoon, storms will continue to push northeast across the Delmarva into eastern Pennsylvania, eventually into New Jersey by about 5 o'clock Eastern Daylight Time. Could see another round of storms during the evening hours move across Virginia and North Carolina. These look to be some more discrete cells, so these could actually have a little bit more chance of producing tornadoes around 7 o'clock Eastern Time, and this will continue through 8, 9, 10, and 11 p.m. We're going to be seeing some storms, possibly producing some damaging winds and isolated tornadoes move across the mid-Atlantic. And taking a look at the total rainfall accumulations with this, we're not going to be seeing as high of a flooding threat as the last couple of days, where the HRRR model is only projecting about 1 to 2 inches of rain across the mid-Atlantic, with isolated locations seeing 3 inches, but we still have a little bit of a flooding risk across portions of the mid-Atlantic. Taking a look at the Weather Prediction Center's excessive rainfall, we have a slight risk for excessive flooding rainfall in the yellow shaded region and a marginal risk of excessive flooding rainfall in the dark green region today. So be on the lookout for some isolated to scattered flash flooding if you live in these shaded regions today. Anyway, thanks for watching my severe weather update. Make sure to watch out for severe weather if you live in the shaded areas today. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, my friends.